What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. This is a special one, actually. This is a gift that was sent by someone who's not only a viewer, but also a patron. They go by the name of SJOERD. Not the first time he has sent something as a gift. I really appreciate you, man. He messaged me and he said, hey, I have something coming your way just to add to your kind of EDC setup. And I was like, oh, cool. Thanks. I appreciate that. That's just infinitely nice. Let's go ahead and get into this, guys. As usual, links in the description for some awesome EDC knives and tools. I've got them all categorized out, so no matter what your itch is, I've got something down there for everybody. I've got expensive knives, inexpensive knives. It's kind of a convenience thing. Here's the thing. I have a feeling, I do know, I think, what's in here, but that's because of what it says on the front, like where it came from. But it is the first time that I've ever handled this. And I feel like I can make use of it. Wait a sec. Yeah, okay. Hang on. I gotta get everything out here. What do we got here? I'm gonna muscle this box open off camera and make sure that I know what I'm looking at. This is probably a receipt. Yeah, I think so. Okay. Trekker space pen. Let's see. What do we got here? I want to push this out. Let me open the other side maybe, and then we'll push it out. There we go. Okay. So, oh, this is interesting. This is actually not what I thought it was. I just don't know. Like, I'm still learning about pens. God. I'm just imagining people like, hey, what'd you watch today? Oh, I watched Metal Complex struggle for 20 minutes to open a pen container. And it's stuff like this is always so simple. And in hindsight, I'm like, oh my gosh, of course. Why didn't I do it like that? There we go. Okay, so people are like, geez, you're terrible. So this is, okay. Oh, it says my name on there. That's awesome. That's so cool. This is so much lighter than the one that I've got attached to my keys currently, and I like it so much because of how it functions. How does it come apart here? Okay, so do I pull? Yeah. Okay, awesome. So here's how this works. It's just a snap pull. Oh, that's so cool. Look at the frag pattern there. Hey, thanks so much. So these, if I'm not mistaken, maybe I am mistaken, and you guys can correct me. These take a more more readily available refill, right? A more universal refill. Let's open this up and take a look. Or they take the proprietary Fisher Space refills. I don't know. It says for SR4 black med refill scent. Okay, so there you go. So there's the refills there. But in any case, I don't really care if the refills are specific or proprietary. Either way, I'll tell you the biggest benefit to this over my current one, which my keys are upstairs, is that this is much more slender and much less bulky. I also like that it has my channel name on there. That's really, really cool. Thank you so much for doing that. I can't tell you how much I appreciate that. I love EDC gear. I love knives, but now that I have an opportunity to explore more of this stuff with this channel, I'm trying to take that opportunity and then at the same time share it with you guys. So this was a really fun one. Sorry to make you guys watch me struggle around that, but SJOE RD, I really appreciate that, man. Thanks so much. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's short little unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives and EDC gear that's either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check that stuff out. And if you would like to, go ahead and click on this Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more content coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.